Welcome Patreons to Martin Private Studio, and today we're starting a series called Nail the Run. In this series, you guessed it, we're going to be taking a look at fascinating runs that artists do in their song. Today's song is going to be from Your Best Friend by Kiana Lede and Kehlani. So even though this is a studio recording, which means it's been altered to some extent, that is a very political term for auto-tuned, there is still some color in their voice while they're singing this piece. So I would like to make the point that this series is not to learn to imitate, but to incorporate and translate singing knowledge from what we hear to theoretical and physical experimentation. Because you're not Kiana and you're not Kehlani. You're you, and you have a unique voice, a beautiful unique voice that is uniquely you. So let's take a look at this run. It is a 14-note run, so be prepared. Stop. The first thing you don't want to do is get overwhelmed, okay? We're going to take this slow. Here is what your common thought process should be. Listen to it. Listen to it again. I would say listen actively at least 10 times to the run. Your body needs time to adjust to the vibrations of the sound and the notes that Kiana is making. Therein, your body cannot adjust to the pitches without avidly hearing the run multitudes of times. Step 2, we're gonna break it down. It is a 14-note run. Let's say the first part, you'll make it friend, friend. That's gonna be our first part, right? Practice that 4-note run as many times as need be. I would say 10 is a good number. So we're at friend, friend, and. So now we got a 3-note run. And practice that 10 times. So now you have friend, which is already a solid run, okay? And it's 14-note run, right? I'm gonna count it for you. Friend. So we got friend. To take it an even further step, those who do solfege would benefit and learn even faster. And I'm gonna tell you why. This is your soul hand sign. So, fa, mi, do, re, mi, re, do, re, mi, re, mi. This activates not only our audio, our visual, but now we are stimulating our kinesthetic ability to learn. And this is how it turned out. I hate that you ain't your best friend. I hate that you ain't your best friend. All right, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you're part of the studio at Patreon, thank you for your continued support. And remember, it takes time, effort, and patience to be great. Give this run a go, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye.